Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's short video, I will introduce you to our new swimsuit pattern, Winter. Winter is very special because it includes a built-in bra. You may recognize the design, the square neckline from our winter top, and that's why the name is the same, winter swimsuit and winter top. However, of course, as you can see, this is a swimsuit, and we included not only a built-in bra underneath the main fabric, but we also included two options on the lower part of the swimsuit. So you will have a lot of coverage on the shorts option, which the hip is very low and the back is very covered, or you can choose the regular option for the hip line area, just like I'm showing you on these images. Swimsuit pattern Winter is a non-reversible pattern. It has a built-in bra, as I just explained, and I built the built-in bra with power mesh. I used strong power mesh. You can use light or strong. I used strong power mesh, which was what I had at home, and it also has an under the bust elastic, so it's very comfortable and very supportive even for larger busts. The width of the strap on the shoulder area also improves the comfort of this swimsuit. And then the center back seam on the back makes this swimsuit fit so nicely, and you don't have any extra fabric on your back, so it actually does the curve and you don't have ripples or extra fabric anywhere. As you can see, you don't see stitches neither on the strap, neither on the top here of your swimsuit, and this is because the only place where you will see stitches is the leg line, which we have sewn and then did a zigzag as a top stitch. We used lining as a regular lining swimwear fabric and one layer of swimwear fabric. And for the top, as I told you, I used power mesh. I used this Bordeaux color, and I used black elastic because it was what I had at home also. But as you can see, when it's on, you cannot see the under the built-in bra, and it makes it look perfect. You can also wear it as a bodysuit if you want to. Well, but I'm not gonna continue explaining more because I'm very excited with this. Just move on to our tutorial and learn how to sew swimsuit pattern Winter with the built-in bra. See you soon. Bye girls!